Hello, my name is Todd Gibson, and I'm a senior consultant here at Integrado, direct Microsoft partner and cloud solution provider. Today, I wanted to discuss our implementation and utilization of Business Central in your manufacturing production needs. You do require a license, being a premium license, to conduct the production and manufacturing within the system. Although an essential license can use a light assembly, light manufacturing, but to use the more robust warehousing and production manufacturing module within Business Central, you would require a premium license for that. So I want to show you a couple things here within Business Central that allows for production and manufacturing to take place. And one of the things is you can be specialized and have your production managers, your floor managers, your supervisors having a dedicated availability for a role in Business Central that they would only see the information that they need to see. So, for a manufacturing manager, you don't necessarily need to see sales. You don't necessarily need to see um, your chart of accounts, your finance portions of the company. But by choosing the manufacturing manager, you're going to set up your role center in a way that is more accustomed to your manufacturing needs. You see production orders that would be in place. You would also have production activities, meaning any warehousing documents, say picks, if you're conducting putaways within your warehousing, any product that you would need to pull. Think of that for your production. You would have those inventory picks here. Your scan guns would be associated with picks necessary for production or assemblies if you're doing a light assembly. And at the same time, any scanning that would need to take place within your warehousing would also be with your inventory picks and putaways. And we can show the production orders. You have multiple ways to build a production order. You can have a simulated, you can have planned production orders, firm production orders, released and finished. So think of this in a way that stages through your activities within your warehouse, right? So we want to get ourselves in a manufacturing setting to accommodate what Business Central could do. And what Business Central could do for your manufacturing is show you and give you the visibility on work centers, machine centers, also with your production BOMs, or the recipe as some like to refer to it, for how you're going to build the product. And so the base step is with your items, you could search for your item list. And I have items here built that require a production BOM. And so that production BOM would then allow us to create the recipe needed, create the production order needed, and then this simulates how we would actually set up this item within our warehouse. So this item in general that's been set is more of a production item that we need on a consistent basis so that we are building into the system the product necessary to facilitate sales, facilitate maybe it's a subassembly. The system in Business Central will actually allow you to have product that will facilitate both demands, forecast, and overall needs within the company. But as you can see in the replenishment area for this item that contains a BOM, we also have routing, right? So how does this product work its way through your warehouse? How does it work through work centers? How does it work through machine centers? How does it work through resources that it takes to complete those? And then the BOM that's created with it. So here are additional capabilities that Dynamics 365 Business Central bring to your organization. The manufacturing portion of Business Central brings a robust ability for your company to produce items, monitor inventory, create routing, and give your sales forecasting the ability to work with your production on how to best fulfill those orders. Thank you for watching our video today, and feel free to reach out to us for more information on how we can help you and your business at integradotech.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.